Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Easy Learning with Harshika. So friends, in this video we are going to do the practice exercise for the conjunctions, and we are going to revise both the conjunctions which are coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. So friends, this video is going to be very interesting and we are going to know many questions about the conjunctions. Now friends, without wastage of time, let us start with the practice exercise of the conjunctions. So friends, we are going to cover both the conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions and the subordinating conjunctions. So friends, according to this assignment, our first question is that identify the conjunctions and write whether they are coordinating conjunctions or the subordinating conjunctions. So friends, हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है जिसमें हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि कंजक्शंस जो हमें दे रखे हैं सेंटेंसेस में वो कौन से हैं, एंड हमें ये भी बताना है कि वो कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शंस हैं या फिर सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शंस. सो फ्रेंड्स, हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है that he is not only an artist but also an engineer. So friends, you have to also comment down in the comment box that what is the right answer for these questions. So our first question is, he is not only an artist but also an engineer. So yes friends, our answer is but. So but is the conjunctions that is used in this sentence, and now we have to tell the type of the conjunction. It is coordinating conjunctions or subordinating conjunction. So firstly, coordinating conjunctions contains fan boys, and it means that F stands for, A stands for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. So these are the coordinating conjunctions, and subordinating conjunctions contains as, whereas, where, although, and these types of conjunctions. Okay friends, so now first is but. So our conjunction is but, and now just now we have revised that F means in fanboys, but is in coordinating conjunction. So our but is coordinating conjunctions. Now friends, our next part is that I don't know whether this train goes to Delhi. So हमारा second part है that I don't know whether this train goes to Delhi. So yes friends, our conjunction is whether. So अब वेदर कौन सा कंजक्शन है, दैट इज सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शंस, बिकॉज सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शंस कंटेन्स वेदर, whereas, although, these types of conjunctions. Now friends, our third part is please speak to him or he will feel hurt. Means please speak to him or he will feel hurt. So यहाँ पर हमारा जो कंजक्शन है वो है और जो है दैट कंजक्शन इज यूज्ड हियर, एंड or is a type of coordinating conjunctions. So our answer is or, and the type of conjunction is coordinating conjunctions. Now friends, our fourth part is that Praful will arrive when it pleases him. So Praful will arrive when it pleases him. So here are two sentences. First is Praful will arrive and second is it pleases him. So our conjunction is when, and it is subordinating conjunctions because subordinating conjunctions contains words like when, where, when, whereas, where, these types of conjunctions. Now friends, our fifth part is make hay while sun shines. Make hay while sun shines. So here our conjunction is while, and yes friends, this is the type of subordinating conjunctions. So friends, these are very easy and we can revise the conjunctions in this way. Now our sixth part is it a boy or a girl? So here it is very easy and the answer is or. So or is our conjunction and the type of conjunction is coordinating conjunctions. Okay friends, now seventh part is that Pallavi as well as Gaurav voted for me. So Pallavi as well as Gaurav voted for me. So here our conjunction is as well as, and this is a type of subordinating conjunctions. Okay friends, now friends, next is eighth part, which is Mr. Prasad is fairly strict, yet his subordinates respect him. So Mr. Prasad is fairly strict. So this is the first sentence, and the second sentence is his subordinates respect him. So here our conjunction is yet, and this is a type of which conjunction? Coordinating conjunction, because coordinating conjunctions contains fanboys and in which Y stands for yet. So this is a coordinating conjunctions. Okay friends, now friends, next part is ninth part, and which is Poonam danced so well that everybody praised her. So Poonam danced so well that everybody praised her. So here our conjunction is that. Here friends, you can get confused that the conjunction can be so also, so is also a conjunction. But friends, we have to see that how this word is used in the sentence, because here so is used for telling the it is used with the adjective that how Poonam danced so well. So here it is not the coordinating conjunction. We will not consider so as the conjunction, but we will consider that as the conjunction, and that is the subordinating conjunction. So our answer of the ninth part will be uh, that, and type of conjunction is subordinating conjunctions. Now friends, our last part of this question is that we had asked for help and we would surely have received it. If we had asked for help, we would surely have received it. यहाँ पर भी हमारे टू सेंटेंसेस है. वी हैड आस्क्ड फॉर हेल्प एंड सेकेंड वन इज वी वुड श्योरली have received it. So our conjunction is if. Yes friends, our conjunction is if, and it is a type of subordinating conjunctions. So friends, this was our first question. Now let's move towards our second question, and second question is that fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. So here we have to fill in the blanks and we have to write the conjunctions for the sentences. So friends, our first part of the second question is that every religion teaches dash God is one. So here we have to fill a conjunction here which is very suitable for this sentence. So now firstly we should let us read the sentence, that how is the sentence, what is it is telling to us, and then we will see that which conjunction should be used here. And it can be subordinating conjunction also, and it can be also a coordinating conjunction. So first is every religion teaches dash God is one. So here we are going to use subordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunction that. So here we will write that. So that is the answer, and this conjunction we will use for this sentence. Okay friends, so don't forget to also comment down in the comment box the answers of these questions. Okay friends, now friends, second question is that we looked everywhere for his lost file dash could not find it. So हमने सब जगह पे देखा कि वो lost file जो खो गई थी, जो फाइल, उसे हमें बहुत सारी जगह देखा लेकिन हम ढूंढ नहीं पाए. तो हम इसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करके हम इजीली इसे फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. हमारा आंसर आया है लेकिन हम उसे फाइंड आउट नहीं कर सकते. सो लेकिन को हम इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? बट. सो आवर आंसर विल बी व्हाट. वी लुक्ड एवरीवेयर फॉर हिज लॉस्ट फाइल बट कुड नॉट फाइंड इट. सो फ्रेंड्स, नाउ थर्ड पार्ट इज शी डज एवरीथिंग टू परफेक्शन at home. So here we have to use the conjunction which are used in pairs, and these are known as correlative conjunctions. So friends, here we have to also fill the correlative conjunctions. So here which conjunction we can use here in this sentence, that she does everything to precision dash at work and dash at home. So we will use the conjunction both and. So she does everything to precision both at work and at home. Okay friends, so I hope it is clear. Now friends, our next part is fourth part, and this is that Arun is dash confident dash no one dares to challenge him. So now here also we have to use the correlative conjunctions because there are two blanks which are given to us, so we have to write correlative conjunctions. Okay friends, so which conjunction we have to use here? Yes friends, so we will use here the conjunction so and that Arun is so confident that no one dares to challenge him. So Arun is so confident that no one dares to challenge him. So here we are going to use the conjunctions so and that. Okay friends, I hope it is clear. Now friends, our next part is fifth part, that is dash was the beauty of the scenery, dash I filled with wonder. So so here also we have to use the correlative conjunction or the conjunction which are used in pairs. So here we are going to use that and that conjunctions, that such was the beauty of the scenery that I was filled with wonder. So here we are going to use such in the first blank, and in the second blank we will use that. Okay friends, now let us move towards our next part number 6, which is dash we reached the venue, it was too late. So we have to use here the subordinating conjunction. Okay friends, we can use any type of conjunction, but we have to firstly see the situation, that how is the situation, how the sentence is. So here we are going to use subordinating conjunction, which is although. So although we reached the venue, it was too late. Okay friends, now friends, our seventh part is dash had we started, dash the bell went off. So we will use here no sooner had we started, then the bell went off. No sooner we started, and then the bell went off. Okay friends, now friends, our eighth part is dash there is a will, there is a way. So here we are going to use the subordinating conjunctions, and that subordinating conjunction is where. So we will use here the subordinating conjunction where in the eighth part, that is where there is a will, there is a way. Okay friends, I hope it is clear. Now our ninth part is my card has been dash stolen dash lost. So here we are given that कि मेरा जो कार्ड है वो या तो खो गया है या फिर किसी ने चुरा लिया है. सो यहाँ पर हमें ये हमें आइडिया लगाना है कि जो कार्ड है या तो वो खो चुका है या फिर किसी ने चुरा लिया है. सो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू यूज ईदर और. We are going to use either or, and we will use that my card has been either stolen or lost. Okay friend, this was the ninth part. Now our last part of the second question is that dash I were the pilot, I would fly the skies. Dash I were a pilot and I would fly the skies. So here we will use the subordinating conjunction if. If I were a pilot, I would fly the skies. Okay friends, so this is the answer of the last part of the second question, and I hope it is clear, and I hope you are also enjoying it. Now friends, our third question is that join the following pair of sentences with appropriate conjunctions. So we have to use here conjunctions, and we have to join these sentences. So friends, our first part is please rest dash you will fall ill. That please rest or you will fall ill. So please rest करो, अगर तुम रेस्ट नहीं करोगे तो you will fall ill. So here we are going to use the conjunction, the coordinating conjunction or. Okay friends, now our next second part is they laughed very hard, tears rolled down their cheeks. They laughed very hard, tears rolled down their cheeks. Subordinating conjunction that they laughed very hard, that tears rolled down their cheeks. Okay friends, now our third part is we stayed with our friends, they had invited us. So here we have to use the conjunction. So we can use here friends coordinating conjunction, which is as we can use subordinating conjunction, which is as. So we stayed with our friends as they had invited us. So here in this question we are going to use as. So friends, firstly we have to see the situation, that how is the situation, and then we are going to fill the conjunctions in it. Okay friends, so I hope you are very well enjoying it. Now our fourth is, you are only 17, you can't vote. आप सिर्फ 17 के हो इसलिए यू कांट वोट. सो इसलिए को हम क्या कहते हैं? So here in the fourth part we will use the coordinating conjunction so, and this is the part of fanboys. Okay friends, now friends, our last part of this question is that Sachin was not well, he played the whole match. Means सचिन वेल नहीं था, फिर भी उसने प्ले किया होल मैच. एंड फिर भी को हम क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में? येट. इसमें हमें कंट्रास्ट बताया गया है कि वो सचिन जो था वो वेल नहीं था, फिर हमें कंट्रास्ट आया कि फिर भी उसने पूरा मैच खेला. सो यहाँ पर हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? येट, क्योंकि येट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर टेलिंग द कंट्रास्ट इन अ सेंटेंस, फॉर स्टेटिंग अ कंट्रास्ट इन द sentence. So here we will use yet. Okay friends, now friends, our fourth part is, and this is the last part of the practice exercise. Okay friends, and friends, please comment down in the comment box the answers of this question if you know the questions, if you know the answer of this question. Okay friends, so our first part is, Nitin had lost his way dash, he was not scared. So हमें यहाँ पर सुटेबल कंजक्शन को फिल करना है, एंड यहाँ पर हमें कंजक्शंस भी दे रखे हैं. तो यहाँ पर हमारा फर्स्ट क्या है सेंटेंस? दैट नितिन हैड लॉस्ट हिज वे होम dash, he was not scared, but he was not scared. So here we will use the conjunction but. Okay friends, so here we will use but. Now friends, our second part is, he knew he was in the woods dash, he could hear the sound of some wolves howling. So उसे पता था, उसे पता चल गया कि वो एक वुड्स में है, क्योंकि बिकॉज ही कुड हियर द साउंड ऑफ सम वॉल्स. बिकॉज, लेकिन यहाँ पर बिकॉज नहीं दे रखा है, तो अगर हम एंड यूज़ करें तो उसका कोई मतलब नहीं निकलेगा सेंटेंस का. सो वी विल यूज़ एज. उसे पता था कि वो वुड्स में है, बिकॉज, क्योंकि उसे किसकी आवाज़ आ रही थी? वॉल्स की. एंड दे वर हॉलिंग. ओके फ्रेंड्स, नाउ आवर थर्ड पार्ट इज, हिज लेग्स बिगेन टू हर्ट दैट ही dash, he kept walking, the road forked into two narrow paths. So here we have to write the suitable conjunction, that his legs began to hurt but he kept walking. So here we will use what? But. बिकॉज यहाँ पर हमें कंट्रास्ट दिया गया है, और कंट्रास्ट जब होता है हम यूज़ करते हैं येट या फिर बट. सो हिज लेग्स, उसके लेग्स जो थी वो हर्ट करने लग गई थी, पेन करने लग गई थी, लेकिन फिर भी वो चलने को तैयार था, फिर भी वो चल रहा था. ओके फ्रेंड्स, नाउ फ्रेंड्स, आवर फोर्थ पार्ट इज, ही कुड गो लेफ्ट डैश राइट, he wondered which road would lead him to his village, and he saw that one of the paths looked more warm out than the other. So यहाँ पर भी हमें कोई भी conjunction एक choose करना है. So friends, let us see which conjunction we can use here. That he could go left dash right. So here we have given the options that we can use either or neither nor. So यहाँ पर हम यूज़ करेंगे either or. Yes friends, you are right, we will use here either or. He could either go left or right. या तो वो वहाँ पर जा सकता है, या तो वो लेफ्ट पे जा सकता है, या फिर वो राइट रास्ते पर जा सकता है. ओके फ्रेंड्स, सो आई होप इट इज़ क्लियर. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, आवर फिफ्थ पार्ट इज, it had less grass growing, dash, it also had imprints of footsteps. इसका जो है ग्रास जो है बहुत कम ग्रो हो रही है, कम हो रही है ग्रो ग्रास. एंड सेकेंड सेंटेंस इज दैट डैश, इट ऑल्सो हैड इम्प्रिंट्स ऑफ फुटस्टेप्स. सो हेयर यहाँ पर हमें दो सेंटेंसेस दे गए हैं, और दोनों में हम किसी चीज़ के बारे में बता रहे हैं कि ग्रास है, और उसी के बारे में बता रहे हैं. सो वी विल यूज़ हेयर एंड. सो आवर आंसर विल बी एंड हेयर, बिकॉज यहाँ पर हमें बताया 2 सेंटेंसेस दे रखे हैं और 2 सेंटेंसेस को जोड़ने के लिए हम सिंपल सेंटेंस है अगर तो हम यूज़ करते हैं एंड, कि ये जो ग्रास है वो कम ग्रो हो रही है और वहाँ पर फुट स्टेप्स के इम्प्रिंट्स भी हैं. Okay friends, so we will use here. And so friends, I hope you liked the video, you enjoyed the video. And friends, if you enjoyed the video and you gave the right answers for the question, so just give a like button, click on the like button, please share my video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get the latest video updates.